How to make images move in CapCut PC. First is to upload the image that you want to edit by clicking this import button. Then select the image and then click import. Once the image has been downloaded, drag the image in this time frame. Tap on the video and then make sure that you're in video and then select basic. Under basic, you will find this position and size. Under this are the scale, uniform scale, position, and rotate. So these tools will help you move your image. By using scale, this will have the effect of zooming in and zooming out, depending on the scale size. Also, you can adjust the position of the image in its Y and X axis and also rotate the image. So to do that, you will have to add keyframes in your video. So to have the zoom in and zoom out effect, click this add keyframe alongside scale. So now you will see that you have added the first keyframe in your video. So say for example, I want this picture to move for a minute. Now click the second keyframe and then adjust the scale size of the video. So if you want to have the zoom in effect, adjust the slider button to your right. And then drag the photo to adjust the location of the zoom in effect. Now I want this part to stay as it is for another minute. So just add another keyframe and do not adjust the scale. Now after this, I want to have the zoom out effect. So adjust this bar to another minute and then adjust the slider button under scale to your left to have the zoom out effect. Now to see the progress of the video, place this bar to the starting point of the video and then click this play button. So not only can you adjust the scale size of the photo, but you can also adjust the position and rotate the photo. So those are just the basics on how to make images move in CapCut. Thank you and have a great day.